that you have completed making a snowflake, we should now focus on other decorations. Aunt Merida, Aunt Anna, can you please tell us what is the new one? I am so excited to learn it. So, little Aurora, we are now going to make Christmas wreath. It's a very important decoration item for Christmas. Usually it is made with pine leaves, but we don't have pine leaves, so we'll use paper. And it is in circular form, which represents unending love of God. It is made in green and red colors. So the green color represents the unending and evergreen life, and the red color represents the blood of the Christ. I am here. Christmas is here. Kids, I am so impressed. You guys are going to make Christmas wreath. I'll be back to see when you have made it. Oh yes, Santa. I am so very excited to make Christmas wreath. Making snowflake was fun. Now Christmas wreath. I am so enjoying making decorations. Yes, little Elsa. It is very enjoyable to make it, and you learn a lot of stuffs in this. Thank you, Santa, for coming and encouraging the kids.
Ho, ho, ho.
I told you, wasn't it so simple to make it? So kids, before we start making Christmas wreath, let me show you how it looks. You'll have a fair idea how it looks. Here it is. This is how Christmas wreath looks like. You know, it is looking a bit difficult, but don't worry. It is very simple to make, and we are there to help you. Wow, Aunt Merida, it is looking so pretty. I know it is looking very difficult, but I'm sure it will be simple. I agree with you, Aurora. It is looking difficult, but then I'm sure there will be a lot of tricks here to learn. Before we start making this Christmas wreath, let me tell you what all would be required. So you will require a cardboard, a green foam paper. You can use a green chart paper as well. A red felt paper, gold and red glitter paper, some normal glue like Fevicol, scissor and a scale. Okay? Let us now start with making of it. On the cardboard, you first cut it into circular form. Like this. There should be a gap in between. Now, you have to cut the green foam paper at 2 cm by 60 cm long strips. Okay? Now you have to cut it like this for all the strips. Okay? On the circular cardboard, you now put any gum. Okay? I am putting Fevibond. You can use even Fevicol. Like this. Now all these strips you have to put layer by layer on this circular ring like this. Layer by layer. Okay? You have to keep on doing this till you cover the entire circle. Okay? And if there is any shortage, you have to cut it more. It depends on the size of your circular ring, right? You can put it in a smaller circular ring, bigger circular ring. I am putting it on this and it required 4 strips like this. So you have to cover it till the end. You should not see any cardboard sides, okay? No brown stuff should be displayed. Only green part should be displayed. That's why you have to completely cover it. Like this. Now you have to just spread it out. We are now going to make flowers. So for flowers you need to have 4x4 felt paper, fold it in twice like this and form a square. Now you have to give a curve cut at both the ends like this. Okay, we'll help you out, but you first understand how we are making. We have to make 3 such parts to make a flower out of it. See? Now you just crumple the ends of these parts like this. It will give you a petal like look. Crumple it and leave it. Now you have to arrange it in crisscross method. 3 parts you have to just keep it in crisscross method. I have put a gum at the center. You don't have to use a hot glue gun. You can use normal gums also. Okay? Crisscross method. Again in the same direction. And at the center you can put any decorative part. I have put a golden pearl here. This way a flower is made. Now I am going to make a bell. So 5x5 you fold it in half, then the half part you cut it like this. You'll get a triangle, equal triangle. You join the ends of both the sides, the shorter sides, okay, not the longer one, the shorter sides. Put the gum at the end, and this is how you can make a bell out of it. Now you can see there are 2 parts which are coming out like a triangular form. It doesn't give a bell like look, so you have to cut it out like this. Okay, you have to make 2 bells in this form. Now you can see it's looking like a bell or inverted cone. Inside you have to give a bell like look, so I'm just giving an illusion of putting a ring inside the bell. You just fold a small part of glitter paper like this and add it at the center. Now it's looking like a bell, right? Here. So the bell is also done. Now we are making a candle. So again 5x5 you roll it like this till the end. Apply the gum at the end like this, and this is how you seal it. You don't have to use a hot glue gun again, I'm saying. Now I'm going to give a flame. So take a red glitter paper, cut it in a square, 1 by 1 will do, and fold it in the diagonal form. At the end you just give a curve like look and cut it, and it will give a flame like look. At the end of this flame put a gum and place it on the roll. Now we are going to decorate the candle. So a long felt paper, cut it in a strip and just roll it across the candle like this. Isn't it looking pretty? Now we are going to make a bow. It's very simple to make a ribbon bow. You know how to tie a shoelace. Similarly, you can also make a bow like this. We will of course help you to make this. It's very simple, but it's not mandatory to make it. I'm just putting it for a decoration purpose. Now I'm going to assemble everything to make it look very beautiful. First I'm putting the bell across at the top like this. Arrange it Okay. Now I'm going to put the candle at the center below the bell. Like this. This is at the lower part. Now to seal the candle, you can put the flowers over it. You can also decorate flowers along the entire ring. I made just 3 flowers just to give my kind of decoration. Okay, you can use your own imagination as well. One at the bottom. Carefully do it, it should stick properly. One at the side, another at the side. Okay, isn't it looking pretty? Now, at the end, you have to put a bow on top of the bell, like this. I've made it of the satin ribbon. You can make it of a normal ribbon, or you can place a flower over it, whatever you like. And then you can use a rope to hang it, or like that only you can use it. Okay? Isn't it simple? See, you learn so many things in one go. Yes, kids, you have made it pretty well. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, 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 ho. I am back. Wow, kids, you have made it. Amazing. I am so impressed with this. You know, I'm going to give a special gift from my end on the Christmas day.